And here is the actual router itself. As you can see, it's a Bobcat. We've got the antenna cord here, and this antenna cord is actually going all the way up and out through this vent and onto the roof. And so already you can see we've got probably 6 feet, 8 feet of antenna cord right here, and all that antenna cord is just going to degrade the signal of that antenna that we see on the roof. Now, the proper way to have done this would have been to actually put this box on the roof, give it an outdoor enclosure, and then use a PoE. I assume they're putting it inside for access to power. Really, they should just send a PoE up to the roof using the Ethernet cable right here. And that's how not to install your Helium router.